Welcome. In front of me is a WIKO View 3, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, you will want to pull down your notification panel and look for the Do Not Disturb toggle, which for me is right here. And once you find it, before you actually tap on it, I do encourage you to hold it. This will take you to the settings where you can customize how it functions. So for instance, we have exceptions right here, which will allow you to select who can call you or message you during the Do Not Disturb mode. So let's start by tapping on calls, allow calls, and here you have everyone, contacts, favorites, or no one. Now for the no one option, we also have this toggle below that, so allow repeated callers, which means that if someone calls us twice within a 15-minute period, they will completely bypass this option right here. So right now it's set to none. No one should be able to call us, but if they follow up with this kind of rule right here, they will, second time around, they will call us as though the Do Not Disturb mode isn't on. Now going back, we also have messages and events and reminders. Now messages has the exact same options as calls. Then we have reminders and events, so you can check if you want them or not during the Do Not Disturb mode. And then going back, we have duration, so this is whenever you tap on the toggle. And we have until turn off, so when you tap on it, you will have to turn it off manually yourself. Then we have a time rule, so for a specific amount of hours, whatever you set it up right here to however many hours, that is going to be always the amount of hours it will turn on for. And below that we have ask every time, which is I would say probably the best option, because when you tap on the toggle, it will bring it up every time, and you can set as many hours as you want right here or until turn off, so it's completely up to you every single time. And then we have also automatic, so this is a scheduled toggle, which allows you to set up start and end time, and then also each day of the week that you want it to turn on and off at. And that's about it, not much more to it. Now going to two last options, we have sounds and vibrations and notifications. So you can choose which kind of notification, sounds or vibration go through during this mode. Now once you set it all up, you can simply leave this and never come back to it again, assuming you don't want to change any settings. And all you need to do now is simply toggle it on or off, assuming you're wanting to toggle it manually. If you're using a scheduled version of it, then you don't even need to turn it on. Once you set up your schedule, it automatically becomes enabled and it will turn on at the time that it's supposed to. So that is how we turn it on, and if you want to turn it off, tap on it again. Now that being said, this is how you would set it up and use it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.